at the end of many promises but no guarantees. Just say to believe all that I can't be. I see the way you move, dancing dirty Diana. You say don't get comfortable, I'm too hot to handle. Many promises but no guarantees. Just say to believe all that I can't be. I see the way you move, rhythm talks and you listen. Coconut spelling the way you get down to business, yeah. Said I'm drawn to you and just can't get enough. Question marker, mystery, leave them wanting for more. Caught me at first sight. I know that I could be the one to change your life. Worse off for better, pardon me, where are my manners? It's a pleasure to meet you, can't help but admire. Too high for me, we can't agree. Empty feelings, no anesthesia. Sun-kissed skin golden, fragrance by ocean. The present is pleasant, time stands still frozen. Can I find the fine words? Yeah, you got me stuttering. But by the look on your face, I can see that you're loving it. Is it real or facade? Can I tell what you got on? What's good, yeah, what's up? What's the deal, like for one? Need some room for progression. Keep it simple like for one. I see the way you move, dancing dirty Diana. You say don't get comfortable, I'm too hot to handle. Many promises but no guarantees. Just say to believe all that I can't be. I see the way you move, dancing dirty Diana. You say don't get comfortable, I'm too hot to handle. Many promises but no guarantees. Just say to believe all that I can.
guys, welcome back to the Alexis Michaela channel. As you guys saw in the beginning, I did a little bit of cleaning and that's basically it. I try to do a weekend vlog, so I try to do Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, but it kind of went chaotic because the weekends are always crazy. I mean, that's not an excuse, you know what I'm saying? I could have, vlogged or whatever, because we had a photo shoot and stuff like that. So we did do stuff that was fun and that was content worthy. So I'm trying to do better. That's why today's Tuesday, actually going into Wednesday. So it's like Wednesday, like in the wee hours of the morning. I'm going to try to get some more content for of this week and for the weekend, so I could just put it all together in a video. Tomorrow I will film more once I am dressed and everything, and we'll talk more. I do want to do a life update for myself and for Sophie, because she's getting bigger and hitting milestones in her life, and so am I. Just wanted to pop in and say hey, and before I forget, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. I'm trying to get the channel to at least 500. I think that's a reasonable amount because we're at 128 now, so I'm trying to get us to 500 subscribers. So yeah, thank you guys so much.
Woke up to find bruises on my body, scraped up both my knees and rolled some random guy off me. Seems like balance, they won't stop me. I can't even stop me. Passed out on the curbside right by my house. Didn't wanna check my phone to see what got announced. It's the day after, I don't even matter to me. I know my tendencies are not the best I see. These split-second impulses got a hold on me. I know my right from wrong, but desires, they are strong. These edges that I search and got a hold on me. But I'd rather be like this than not. Open the reckless, don't matter if they don't get it. I'd rather be like this than not. Broke up, he said that'll never get me. Coming home a wreck, he said he wished he never met me. I'm racking up quite a large debt fee, no, he won't ever get me back. I know my tendencies are not the best I see. These split-second impulses got a hold on me. I know my right from wrong, but desires, they are strong. These edges that I search and got a hold on me. But
launched off into space last night, and they gone off to 3 days. So this is day 1.
You saw it on the news.
No, I'm on phone. This is day 1.
Yeah, life I'm living now. But mine is not big enough. Yeah, life I'm living now. Live it. Yeah. That life ya me life, yeah, that life ya me live, yeah, me love it, me live it too. But mine is not big enough, jealousy killing them, please do not give it up. Life of me life, yeah, that life ya me live, yeah, me love it, me live it too. But mine is not big enough, jealousy killing them, killing them. That life ya me living now, I cannot give it up, my talk is big enough. Jingle, real talk, most of them fake. That's why me not deal with most of them. Pose of them, boy watch him girl like a Doberman. No say him girl, I'm a Dover. Me take with boy girl, I'm notorious. First in my lane, yes I'm glorious. That's why your girl, I'm a Dover. Me call off my phone, what she know for do. She fall in love just like overnight dog. Ring, text, over bright dog. Please tell your girl, say she over right dog. She come over, big gap. Ring, text, overnight, dog. Yeah, she over right, dog. My life of my life, yeah, that life, yeah, me live, yeah, me love it, me live it too. Love it. But mine is not big enough, jealousy killing them, please do not give it up. My life of my life, yeah, that life, yeah, me live, yeah, me love it, me live it too. Jealousy killing them, killing them. A life I'm living now, I cannot give it up. My talk is big enough. Girl, do what you want for do fashion over, yeah, you're cleaning them. Talk about love, but no know what she meaning. Jah know me real enough. Yeah, but my life, and but mine telling time after time. She says she miss me.